Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. So today it's going to be an interesting video. It is the Volcano Experiment. Let us see how I made a very simple do-it-yourself of volcano. So if you can see, this is a flower pot, a plastic flower pot, which when you put it upside down, it will look like a mountain. So I used this little tub to use it as the experimental bottle. Okay, so I'm gonna cut that space and I'm gonna place this little cap inside that round. Okay, and also cover all the holes which are appearing on the top. So it was my experiment which I had to show to my class. So what I did was I put it on a plastic plate and I decorated a little bit with a green pom-pom, so it will look great.
So if you want to know how to make your own pom-poms, you can see this video which is in my channel. The link is given in this place, just go check it out. Okay, also you can make your own volcanoes using paper mache or also using clays. So do try the different methods. It is not that this is just an idea for easy way. Okay,
this was a experiment which I started to do. I wanted to test this experiment, so I first tested it in a silver plate because I didn't want to spoil the green plating which I decorated. So I poured the colored vinegar and the color powder, so you can see it's boiling up like volcano. Don't you agree with me? It's looking like a beautiful volcano. Yes, it's looking like a volcano mountain itself. I know it was that easy. See, we did not have that much time to do a big project. So this was the simplest do-it-yourself that I think you can do when you have some important experiment that has to be shown for your kids. So you can now see that my daughter is doing an experiment here.
What's that? Soda salt. Then add some vinegar and color water. A little bit more. And the volcano bloom.
Now you will be able to see how you can conduct an experiment in a Zoom class. So this is what I did in distant learning. Okay, we shall do another experiment. So I'm gonna bring a volcano. Can you see a volcano? Yes, we are going to do a volcano experiment. Shall we do? So what do we need? We need soda salt. So we are going to put 1 tablespoon of soda salt. See, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of soda salt and I'm putting in this. Okay, now what is this? It is vinegar. I'm gonna pour this vinegar in a tumbler. Okay, I'm gonna pour vinegar in this tumbler. Before that, I'm gonna measure it in this cup. I'm gonna take 1/4 cup of vinegar. I'm gonna take 1/4 cup of vinegar. In this 1/4 cup of vinegar, I'm gonna add some color powder so that it will look like molten lava. So I'm gonna add the vinegar and the color powder together. So what do we have now? We have the color liquid. So I'm gonna mix it up. So are you all ready to see the lava being boiled up? Show me a thumbs up. Yes, shall we see? Yes, we are going to see. Oh, it's exploding! Can you see? The volcano mountain is having so much of lava. Can you see? Oh! It's boiling up. The lava is all over the ground. If you pour more and more vinegar, the lava is coming up and up and up. Can you see? Yes, we did. The experiment, come on, repeat after me. Experiment was super. Yes.
So if you can see here, there are different methods to do volcano experiment. Like you can also use the dishwashing soap for more effective, and you can mix two food coloring like the yellow and the red one. So it's your own imagination, and don't forget the outcome is white vinegar plus baking soda will give you carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is our outcome. So now you saw how you can use this simple do-it-yourself experiment for volcano for your kids, and if you are a teacher you can use it in your class also. So they will have so much of fun when they see something and learn from it. So I do recommend that you all try this simple do-it-yourself if you have a situation as such, and subscribe to my channel and do give your support as always. Thank you so much. Take care, my dear friends and family. Bye bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Subscribe.